Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by powering the H6 and confirming firmware is current. This avoids strange behavior later. Next, plug your primary microphone into XLR1 or 2 and slowly raise the gain while speaking to keep peaks in the green. This prevents clipping. If you're using condenser mics, enable +48V phantom power for the specific input rather than global power, because that gives you control and prevents powering incompatible gear. Once levels read stable, save this patch as your starting point. Now route each input to the tracks you need in the REC menu, so your DAW or file format receives the right channels. Choose stereo mix for quick shoots or multi-track for post. Adjust trim, enable the high-pass filter if handling rumble, and engage the limiter only if unavoidable because it changes dynamics. Monitor through headphones and the line out while running a test phrase. Listen for noise, phase issues, or distortion, and then correct gain or polarity, where necessary, before committing to a take. Begin recording once all levels and monitoring are confirmed. Choose WAV 24-bit/48K for best fidelity or MP3 for faster turnaround. When finished, stop and verify files on the SD card before formatting or moving on. Alternatively, connect the H6 in USB audio or USB storage mode to transfer or capture directly. If you encounter silence, unexpected clipping, or distorted audio, first recheck that the correct input is armed, confirm gain staging and bus routing, and replace the SD card with a faster, Class 10, or UHS card to rule out write issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.